Hey, welcome back. I'm Steve, your manager at fixitsmartly.com. If you're tired of spending a fortune on repairs, you're in the right place. Today, let's talk about brake fluid leaks, a serious issue that can affect your car's braking performance. If you notice a soft brake pedal or hear a hissing sound when you press the brakes, it could mean your brake fluid is low or leaking. First, check the brake fluid reservoir under the hood. If the fluid level is low, top it off with the recommended fluid for your car. If the fluid keeps draining, inspect the brake lines, master cylinder, and brake calipers for leaks. Use a flashlight to look for any signs of brake fluid on the ground or along the lines. If you spot a leak, you'll need to replace the damaged part. In most cases, replacing a cracked line or a leaking caliper is straightforward, but if you're unsure, it's a good idea to visit a mechanic. Don't drive with low brake fluid. This can severely affect your car's ability to stop safely. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more money-saving car repair tips. What's the next problem you'd like me to show you how to fix? Leave a comment below. Let's keep saving money and taking charge of our cars. I'll see you in the next one.